Hello, my name is Darlene Ayala Pituin,
And I am Dana Ayala.
and we are student of Alpelor Senior Memorial College. We will doing a presentation about morphology.
In this presentation, we will talk about a morpheme, types of morpheme, and 8 inflectional affixes and word formation.
Learning objectives: morphology, morphemes, types of morpheme, free morpheme, lexical and functional, bound morpheme, inflectional and derivational, and 8 inflectional affixes word formation. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of the forms of words and their parts. Morphemes like prefixes, suffixes, and base words are defined as the smallest meaningful units and meaning. Morphemes are important for phonics in both reading and spelling, as well as in vocabulary and comprehension. Morphemes are minimal units of words that have meaning and cannot be subdivided further. Free morpheme and bound morpheme. Example: bad plus li equals badly. Free morpheme plus bound morpheme is equal to new word. Types of morphemes: free morpheme and bound morpheme. Free morpheme can stand alone as its own word. Bound morpheme only occurs as part of a word. Example of free morphemes: gentle, license, gem, father, and picture. Example of bound morphemes: S as in cats, or ed as in crammed, an as in unhappy, miss as in misfortune, er as in teacher. There are two types of free morpheme. Number 1, lexical morpheme. Lexical morpheme referred also as open class because we can add morphemes to these words. These are nouns, verb, and adjectives. For example, girl, boy, noun. Jump, look, verb. Red, pink, adjective. Number 2 is functional morpheme. Words that do not have clear meaning but has grammatical functions. These are conjunctions, prepositions, article, auxiliaries, and pronouns. Referred also as close class because it cannot be added to other morphemes. Example: he, she, we, but, nor. 8 inflectional affixes. S. Third person singular present. Example: she waits. Ed. Past tense. Example: he walked. Ing. Progressive. Example: she's watching. En. Past participle. Example: she has eaten. S. Plural. Example: 3 tables. Apostrophe S. Past possessive. Example: Donna's cat. Er. Comparative. Example: you are taller. Est. Superlative. Example: you are the tallest.
Affixation, inflectional, and derivational word formation processes. Affixation is a morphological process whereby a bound morpheme and affix is attached to a morphological base. Affixes mark derivational and inflectional changes. Example: er in teacher, s in teachers. And affixation is the most common strategy that human languages employed for derivation of new words and words form. Bound morpheme. Bound morpheme have two types, inflectional and derivational. Inflectional is the modification of a word form different grammatical categories without changing its core meaning. Determining, and determine are from the root determine. Derivational is the process of forming a new word from an existing word, often by adding a prefix or suffix such as an or ness. Example: unhappy and happiness derive from the root word happy. Word formation is the creation of a new word. Its processes includes blending, branch, smug, motel, docudrama, electrocute, clipping, bike, phone, exam, memo, add, compounding, basketball, blacklist, crosswalk, sunflower, coining, coke, bling, webinar, workaholic, metrosexual, butterfinger. Forming acronyms: laser, scuba, radar, AIDS, semantic shift, hot, gay, pad, run. Summary: morphology is the study of word structure and word formation. The smallest meaningful part of the word is called a morpheme. Morphemes have two classifications. Those are pre and bound morphemes. Pre-morphemes categories are lexical and functional morphemes. Bound morphemes includes inflectional and derivational morphemes.